Here are some fun facts about the cuckoo bird. General facts 1. Name origin. The cuckoo gets its name from its distinct call that sounds like cuckoo. 2. Global distribution. Cuckoos can be found on every continent except Antarctica. 3. Species diversity. There are over 140 different types of cuckoos, each with its own size, shape, and color. Unique characteristics 1. Brood parasitism. Cuckoos are known for laying their eggs in other birds' nests, a behavior called brood parasitism. 2. Egg mimicry. Cuckoo eggs often resemble the eggs of the host bird, making it hard for the host to notice the difference. 3. Nestling mimicry. Cuckoo chicks can look and act like the chicks of the host bird, which helps them survive. Behavior and habitat 1. Migration patterns. Many cuckoo species migrate between their breeding and winter homes. 2. Diet. Cuckoos mainly eat insects, fruits, and seeds. 3. Habitat. Cuckoos can be found in various places, like forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Interesting adaptations 1. Cryptic plumage. Many cuckoo species have colors that help them blend in with their environment. 2. Strong legs. Cuckoos have strong legs and sharp claws, which help them perch and hold on. 3. Distinctive calls. Cuckoos are well known for their unique calls, which they use to communicate and mark their territory. These fun facts highlight the unique biology and behavior of the cuckoo bird.